Good afternoon, my friends.
I never knew the girls would permit a mermaid possess 2 legs. What is your name?
My name is Neka.
And how are you?
I'm fine, my friends.
You are so beautiful. Whose daughter are you?
I'm Ichi Akude's daughter, my friends.
Good. I would want you to do something for me. I would love you to come to the palace tomorrow so that I can have a good time with you.
Okay, my friends.
I get up. You can take your medicine. Easy. Easy. It's okay. How are you? You're welcome. Finish it, finish it. What is wrong with your daughter? My dear, she woke up one day and started complaining of itches all over her body. Before you know it has gotten to this extent. I've done everything. I don't know what to do again. It looks like poison. Poison? I don't know. I have taken her to all the herbalists in this Amafo. Nobody seems to know what is wrong with her. And nobody can cure her. Don't worry. She'll be fine. That is what I'm praying for. Anyway, my father asked me to come and tell you to come to the house. So you people can conclude the discussion you had the other day. Please help me tell your father. You can see the condition of my daughter. And my wife went to her place. I should not be coming back today. Please tell him I will see him tomorrow. No, you're wrong. Sorry.
Thank you.
You'll be fine. Oh?
It's okay now. It's okay, my dear. Just greet your father for me.
Son, come. Let me show you the lips you are searching for. These are the ones that will heal the little girl. Grind them together. Rub them on her body. Make her to take little quantity of it every morning. And she will be whole again.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Please, don't joke with whatever I have just told you now. You are the only herbalist that has the cure to her sickness.
But I am not a herbalist.
If you are not, then what are you doing in the bush? The gods have given you the grace to cure people's sickness and save lives. Please, don't play with it.
Please wait.
Go and do all that I have told you now.
Please, I would like you to follow me.
No.
Okay, can I go with you rather?
You cannot come to where I am now until you fulfill your destiny. Go and may the gods protect you.
Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo onyaka ya dinocha imachia na barayo yele onyaka ya dinocha chia na sarayo kuno mina chonyaka ya dinocha matakwa matana.
This is the second time I am seeing this particular woman. Who is she? She called me an artist. What destiny was she talking about? Which little girl was she talking about?
Chia na barayo chia na nuruyo yele onyaka ya dinocha chia na sarayo uno chia na sarayo. Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo onyaka ya dinocha imachia na barayo yele onyaka ya dinocha.
I want to ask you a question. Why did you walk away while he was still narrating his dreams to us?
That boy is a liar. Hey, and you don't expect me to sit down there and listen to his lies.
Tell me, what reasons do you have to doubt him? How do you think he could make up such stories by himself? How?
Nani, I know EZEONU more than you do. Eh? Because, as you can see, I am preparing for us to go to the farm. I don't need distractions this morning. Because, tell EZEONU that I am waiting for him in the farm. You should not keep me waiting.
But destiny can never be changed. Iyo onyakaya dinocha Imachia na barayo Yele onyakaya dinocha Chia na sarayo kuno.
How could you hate this boy this much? Can you communicate?
What is it now? Why did you stop?
Somebody talk to me.
Yeah,
Move, let's go.
Yeah? What is it? Mama?
EZEONU, are you not the one I'm talking to?
EZEONU.
What do you think?
Now let's go.
Okay, Mama. Let's go. Give it to me. What? How did you do that?
EZEONU.
Super. Ara even dia na akwa. For here na you. I carry it. What one?
Hey! EZEONU.
I'm glad you honored my invitation.
It's my pleasure, my friend.
I am pleased to see you.
It's my pleasure. My prince.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, my prince.
Oh, cheers.
Can I take my leave, please?
To our friendship. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
I never knew we had such a beautiful dancer like you in this kingdom.
Thank you, my friend. Good day, my queen.
Good day. Whose daughter are you?
I am Ichiakule's daughter.
Ichiakule's daughter. And what are you doing with my son, the prince of this land?
Mother. She's my friend. I invited her home.
I see. But see me right.
Relax yourself, okay?
Sit down.
I promise you there is no problem, okay? Have your drink. If you want more, you can also get it from the container.
Okay.
Give me a minute, I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay, my friends.
Please relax yourself.
Come! What is that rat doing here?
Mother, she is my friend.
Shut up.
And why refer to her as a rat?
I said shut up! You are a prince. Listen, let me tell you something. I don't want that girl anywhere around you. Have I made myself clear?
I don't understand, Ma.
What don't you understand? No. What part of it do you not understand? Eh? You are a prince. And you are expected to associate with people of your class. What part of it don't you understand?
Mother, there is nothing wrong with her. She's beautiful.
Shut up again! What is your problem? Eh? You as a prince, you are supposed to be talking about some princess from a notable kingdom. Not some messed up, senseless, useless girl. I do not want to see her here. I hope you have heard me.
Chezon.
Huh?
What are you still doing? Yeah? Chezon. Chineke me. Chezon. You still went back to the bush to collect these leaves. After all I warned you.
Mama, I'm using them for something.
Give it to me, Oiso. Give it to me.
What is it now?
Give it to me.
Eh?
Have you done what I asked you to do?
Mama, I'll break it. I'll break it when I'm done with what I'm doing.
So you now dictate what you want to do for me and what you don't want to do for me in this house. Ewa, don't worry yourself. You see this leaf, you will never set your eyes on it again. In fact, you will not even bring any other leaf in my house again.
Mama, please, don't destroy this thing. Because I'm using it. What is going on?
You're using it.
What is happening here?
Echezona is brewing wings in this house. He now dictates to me what he wants to do and what he does not want to do. I asked him to break firewood for me, and he is here doing this nonsense.
Once I won't break it, I'll break it.
Go sit down.
Eche,
Eche. Go and do what she asked you to do. Huh? After, you can come back and continue with what you are doing. Always remember the proverb of my father-in-law. He said you don't give trouble back to everyone that troubles you. If not, you become the most troublesome. Go and do it. Go and wait for a wait for her. Go now.
Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo mina chonya kaya dinocha matakwa matana ukworume bunomu. Iyo mboke geruo, yeah, oga chake dikugu. Iyo sorogi mebenuo, imanu gochala chacha go kwanuo. Iya lelele, onyaka ya dinocha.
Mazi. Oh, Mazi. Good day. Good day. Okay, thank you very much. Where is your daughter?
She's inside. We are preparing to go out. Somebody directed me to a native doctor at Ubulueke. So we want to go and see him to know if there's any solution to her problems.
Okay, Mazi. I heard you've been to many herbalists in this town. But I will tell you, I will advise you now not to go to anywhere for now.
No.
I brought this herbal medicine for your daughter.
Echezana,
Mazi.
where did you get it?
Mazi, rub this medicine on your daughter's body 3 times a day and give her a little quantity to drink once a day.
But where did you get it?
Mazi, I prepared it myself.
You prepared medicine by yourself?
Yes. Just give it a 3-day trial. If it didn't work, then you can go to wherever they directed you to.
It's okay, I will do as you say. I will do as you say. I pray to Chukwu Okugabiyama that it works.
Mazi, just try it.
I will.
I'll be on my way now.
It's okay.
I'll
Thank you
come back
very
tomorrow
much.
to see how she's doing.
It's okay. Thank you. Chukwu Okugabiyama, may it work. The way he spoke with confidence. Let me try it. I will.
Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo mina chonya kaya dinocha matakwa matana ukworume bunomu.
Who was the girl that visited you this afternoon?
Her name is Nneka, daughter of Ichia Kudi.
And why did she come to see you?
I saw her when I was driving by the roadside. Stopped, spoke to her. I like her, so I invited her over. Are you alright? Are you alright?
So you now have a girlfriend?
Why do you sound jealous? Are you angry about that? Okay, listen. Why this strange behavior? don't know why she's jealous anyway. Come in. Mother, you sent me.
Yes, sit. Well, it's all about the girl that visited you this afternoon. To tell you the truth, I've been disturbed since then. So I called you to let you know that I wouldn't want to see you there anymore.
Mother, she's of good manners. She's the kind of woman I need in my life.
You are a prince. You are the future king of this great kingdom. You don't have to bring yourself down before your people. You must learn to respect yourself.
I love her.
I'm sure you heard what I just said. You will not like my action the next I see you with her.
Mother, I need a woman who will love me.
What do you know about love? For goodness sake, you are the prince. You are the next king. Every woman will love you for who you are. You know, do not ignore my word if you don't want to see the other side of me. But if it is such a big deal for you to get somebody, I can get you a beautiful princess who will love you.
You've been like this since noon. What is actually the problem?
I'm jealous.
Jealous? Of what? Who?
Of your affairs with that girl you call Neck.
I don't understand.
Oddly, I know I may sound insane if I say this.
No, say it.
I love you.
I know you love me. Yeah.
I'm in love with you.
Are you alright? For crying out loud, we are siblings.
I know you will say that.
Listen,
Please don't break my heart.
Listen. It is a crime in our law. Incest. It's a crime. An abomination. Okay?
Nobody will find out. I know it's going to be between the two of us. I swear.
Listen to me. The gods will be angry with us. They will not be happy with us. Okay? What's wrong with you?
I can't believe my ears. How? No. This can't be right. What did I not hear her well or what?
My friend Ife Kando.
Where is this Jamaica?
Hey,
What are you? How are you? You never have fully recovered.
yes, so my brother, you can see. That is why we are here. You got to thank your son. For taking my daughter well.
My son?
Yes.
Which of my sons?
Echeson, of course. It's the one who gave my daughter the medicine that made her whole again.
Nani, EZEONU is not a herbalist. So where did he bring the medicine from?
Ego, I don't know. I did not say he's a herbalist. But the thing is that he gave my daughter the medicine. Where have I not taken her? All the herbalists in this kingdom, none was able to cure my daughter. Till your son EZEONU brought the medicine. Look at her now. Ha!
That's not necessary. I want to check it. I don't know.
Let me go and check.
Yeah, take it. We are waiting for it. Not that I'm waiting for it. Let me.
Machia na barayo yele onyaka ya di nocha na sarayo uno.
What are you doing here? What do you think you are doing here?
Good day, my princess.
What do you think you are doing here?
I'm looking for the prince.
Now listen to me, Nick, or whatever they call you. Odile is my only brother. I do not intend to share him with you or anyone else. Do you get that? Now get out!
Nigga, come back. Come. What did you tell her?
Why are you treating me this way? Why are you breaking my heart?
Is that the reason why you drove from Neka when she came to see me in the afternoon?
Yes. Yes. I cannot share you with another woman. Please try and understand me.
How do you think our parents will feel if they find that we are having something sexually going on?
I promise you, they will not find out. They won't.
Olemo, leave, please. I beg you in the name of the gods. Please leave.
Please don't throw me out. I will kill myself if you throw me out. Please don't throw me out.
Who are you? Who are you? Show yourself and stop hiding. Show yourself. Show yourself! Your Highness, what is it? What is it, Your Highness? What is the problem? This is a bad woman. This is a bad woman. This is evil. This is evil. Confront the gods. What did he say?
No, Your Majesty. So that is it. You must come back and give me the feedback tomorrow. Consider it done. I have never failed you and I will not fail you. Your Majesty, did you invite him? No, not at all. I did not. Ezemo, to what do I owe this unexpected visit?
Igwe, danger looms in the land. The spirit of the late Igwe is not happy with this kingdom. The gods are angry as well. I have delivered the message from the gods.
Your Majesty, what does he mean by that? How do I know? I do not know. I have to take my leave now. It's okay.
mgbe ị na-achụ onye aka ya dị n'ọcha matakwa mata na ụgwọ ọrụ mmehie ihe mgbe oge ga-eruo ọ ga-achake dị kuku ihe sọrọ gị mebe n'ụwa ịmanụ gochala chachagokwa n'ụwa ya lelele.
Please, we are here to see your son, EZEONU. Biko, we heard how he killed Mazi Amaka's daughter. So I brought my son for him to heal him. Please.
There was never a time EZEONU healed Mazi Amaka's daughter. There was never a time. He was only deceiving you people. But wait, let me ask you. Is EZEONU a herbalist?
I know he's not a herbalist. No, the story is everywhere. How he single-handedly healed Mazi Amaka's daughter. I heard that he went there with his medicine, gave it to the girl. She drank and she's well now. That's why I brought my daughter and my son here.
Man, I advise you to take your son home. Take him home and look for where they will cure him. No.
Everybody is well. All is not well. All is not well, as you can see. My son is dying. We are here to see your son, EZEONU. You know how he healed Mazi Amaka's daughter. Oh, people brought my son for him to heal him. Let me call him. Get back here. EZEONU.
Take him home. Madam Weber, take him home.
Only to have to go your ear.
This boy will die here. Take him home.
Please, we are here to see you. That thing you did for Mazi Amaka's daughter. Please, here is my son. Do that same thing to him. Because he's dying. On our one will become.
Take him home. I will come and see him later in the day with some herbal medicine that he's going to take.
Down. But I should take him home now.
But destiny can never be changed. Iyo onyaka ya dị n'ọcha. Imachia na bara yo yele onyaka ya dị n'ọcha.
Igwe, danger looms in the land. The spirit of the late Igwe is not happy with this kingdom. The gods are angry as well. I have delivered the message from the gods. I am alright. Fine.
Okay. I learned the EZEONU was here yesterday. Did anything happen?
Like I said, I am fine. I just want to be left alone. If I want you, I will send for you.
Okay.
Who's there?
Ulima.
Who's there?
Uli! Ulima. I locked the door. Don't open it.
That could be your mother. What have you done?
Baba, good morning. Are you going out?
Yes. Let me hurriedly get to the farm. I'll soon be back.
Okay. Go where?
Okay.
But destiny can never be changed.
Good morning. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm preparing a herbal medicine for Mazugolo's son.
Matakwa matana ukworume iyo mboge geruo oga chake diku
EZEONU,
Huh?
you did not sweep the backyard.
Mama, I swept this place. And I left the backyard for Obina to sweep whenever he wakes up.
You left the backyard for Obina to sweep. Give it to me. Give it to me. Stand up. Go and sweep that backyard. What's it, sir? Go and sweep it! Before I destroy every other thing remaining.
Why did you do this? Eh? Why did you do this?
Stand up and go to the backyard. Go and sweep. I will pour this one away. Go and sweep. You are wasting time. You don't want to go.
prince of our land. Greetings, Ichi Akudi. You're welcome.
I am here to see your daughter. Is she in?
Oh, Neka.
Yes.
She's around. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Let me call her for you. Just a minute.
Okay.
I'll be waiting. Neka. Neka.
Papa.
Neka. Look what you are doing. The prince is here to see you. Leave whatever you are doing and come and see him.
The prince?
Yes.
Papa, tell him I'm not at home.
What is the problem? I've already told him that you are around.
I don't want to see him.
Okay, I can see that you are shy. Don't worry. Just throw away the shyness. Come and see him.
I'm not shy, Papa. I just don't want to see him.
What is the matter? Neka, do you know who is involved here? The prince of this land came to visit you and you are saying you want to see him. Come on, my daughter. Come and see him. Do you know who is involved here? The royal prince. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Ichi. Where is she?
She's here already.
Good day, my friend.
Nek, how are you?
My prince, excuse me. Make yourself comfortable. Do you care for this?
Oh no. Thank you. Thanks for your kind gesture.
You see, we elders settle ourselves, relax with this.
You are correct.
Okay.
You are correct.
Relax.
Thank you.
Feel at home.
I want to apologize for what happened the last time you came to the palace. Please, do not take whatever my sister said to you. Okay?
The princess hates me. The queen hates me too. So, I just have to stay away from you.
No. You don't have to. You don't. Look at me. Look. You are an epitome of beauty. My eyes have never beheld such beauty in my entire existence. I love you. And I want to make you my queen. Oh yes, I mean it. I mean each word I just said to you. Trust me. All I am waiting for is your consent. The moment you give me your consent, I will inform my father about it. And we shall come for your hand in marriage. This, I promise you. Okay? Give me your palm. Please give me your hand. Okay?
Were you here when my brother left?
Yes, my princess.
Do you by any chance have an idea of where he went?
I have no idea, my princess. He drove out a few hours ago, my princess.
It's alright. Let me go.
Ego. Ego Ibo. Beba, come here. Ego, why did you refuse to give vegetable food this night? Why? I am asking you. Why did you refuse giving him food this night? Is it true or false that you did not give him food?
It is true. Yes, it is true that I did not give him food. And I will keep denying him food in this house since he has decided not to be useful to Mua. Eh? He will be wandering from one bush to another, looking for leaves that are not looking for him.
Ego, let me ask
Tell EZEONU to stop deceiving himself. He is not a herbalist. Huh?
Ego, let me ask you. Where is Obinna?
Where is Obinna?
Kedebe Obinna no? Where is Obinna?
Eh?
Look at him. Look at him.
Papa, good evening.
Where are you coming from?
Papa, I want to check my traps.
Did you hear him? I still want to ask you a question. Are you trying to tell me that you did not keep food for him this night? I equally want to ask you, who amongst these two is more useful in this house?
Tell EZEONU to stop deceiving himself. He is not a herbalist. He is not a herbalist. Ah!
Where are you coming from?
Papa, I went to check my traps.
Check your traps.
Oh, Papa, what have I done again? Eh? Is it a crime to go and check my traps? Oh, so Papa, you have suddenly forgotten how you finished the fattest part of the bushmeat I brought home the other day.
Eh? Shut your mouth up. Which meat?
Papa, I don't like the way you talk to me. Papa, I don't like it oh. I don't like it oh. Mama?
Come back here.
No. Papa, please don't bother yourself. I'll go and look for what to eat.
Right.
No? I'll go and look for what.
What are you going to eat now?
Don't worry, I'll look out for anything to eat.
I am my princess.
You went out with my brother-in-law, am I right?
Yes, my princess.
Where exactly you went?
You went to Jacobu's house, my princess.
You went to see his love, am I right?
Yes, my princess.
Can you go?
Thank you, my princess.
Auntie! Ezemo, I have been so worried since your last visit to the palace. I don't need to be told why my late brother is angry. All I want is for you to tell me what I must do to appease the spirit of my late brother.
Your Highness, the bitterness of the crowd settles in the morning, and that of the spirits reflects in human. The spirit is extremely angry, and the gods are ready to fight on his behalf. Your Highness, there is danger. Ayana bada fumo, manaya fu arozo, okonike. Ebiwagu nejago, oke monkuta, obuba waoso, oke mini egogwe. My late king, Biko. Why? The deed has already been done. All we seek for now is how to make an amendment. Because my late king, speak to me. Your Highness, the spirit of the late king seeks for revenge. And there's nothing anyone can do to stop it.
EZEONU, do you mean to tell me you are not potent enough to control the spirit of the dead? Is that what you're telling me? Do something, consult the gods. There must be a way out.
Not in this matter, Your Highness. The gods will be angry with me if I ever try such. I have to go now. EZEONU, consult!
Thank you. Hey, Mother. There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
I know how much you love my brother and I, and how you want the best for us. I'm also aware you want to get him a wife from a royal background. But Mother, that dream is about to be aborted.
Aborted? How?
Mother, are you aware that Odili is still seeing Mazi Akude's daughter?
No. Are you telling me that he is still seeing her?
Not just that. He has even proposed to her.
No. Never. He will not marry her. No.
Mother, you have to act fast too. You have to act really fast. Do something. You have to do something. Because he is very serious with her.
Good morning.
Good morning, Keke. So you are just waking up, eh? You are just waking up from sleep, eh, Chezona? I don't blame you. You had better go in there, get a knife and join me. Hey! Chezona is now getting popular by the day. Eh? He is now the talk of town. Hey! Even people from the neighboring communities are now coming to ask for his medicine. Where did you get these powers from? Hi, Ego. When ganga no na mmiri ncha ba manya o. If you don't finish this cassava, there will be no food for you.
Don't bother yourself, I'll finish it.
Oh, yeah.
Is your father at home?
Yes, my dear. He's inside. Let me call him. Papa!
Welcome, the most beautiful queen of our land.
Thank you, Chiakude.
Why don't you come in and sit down?
Oh, no.
Or better, get seated.
Ichiakude, thank you. Well, I have come concerning your daughter. I learned my son was here yesterday.
Oh, yes. He was here. The two of them are getting along very well.
I don't want your daughter anywhere around my son. Peradventure, my son gets her pregnant. I give you one assurance. He will never marry her. So talk to her before it becomes too late. Open that door.
Neka, like one that lost her husband. If the queen said that he does not want the prince to marry you, then let him be. God has a better thing for you.
Papa, you won't understand. I love him so much. And he loves me too.
I know that. But you see, if God destined that the two of you be husband and wife, no man on earth can stop it. Please, stop crying.
Papa, why is this happening to me? Why? He's the first man I've ever loved in my life. Papa, what if nothing?
No. Don't you ever think of taking your life for a man? No. It is not right. Don't you ever do that. God has a better thing for you. Your man is coming. Your own man is coming. Just comfort yourself. Wipe away your tears. My dear, wipe away your tears. Stop crying. Stop crying. Get up. Stop crying. It's okay. Let's get inside. No.
Whose daughter is she?
Ichie Akude's daughter, father.
Ichie Akude?
Your Highness, I told him that he cannot marry a low class. Probably he thought I was not serious. Listen, son, if you think you are ripe for marriage, look for a girl from a royal family, from any of these our neighboring communities, and marry.
Mother, I don't want to get married from a royal family. I need a woman who will be submissive to me as her husband. And Nneka is the woman of my dreams.
See that your dream? It will never come to pass. No! Your Highness, I went to Ichie Akude's house and I warned him to tell his daughter to stay away from our family.
Mother.
Why?
Why what?
Odili, I want you to keep quiet and listen to your mother.
Thank you.
As a woman, she knows what is good for you when it comes to the issue of selecting a wife. Besides, this is a very critical decision that you will take once in a lifetime.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Welcome.
Tell him. Huh? Well, since it is such a hard task for you, I will get you a wife. Okay? Please.
Of course I will.
You've been indoors since afternoon.
Leave my room. I don't want your disturbance right now.
Orderly.
You heard what I said. I said leave!
I know why you're doing this. How can you love a total stranger more than you love your own blood sister? Orderly, why are you breaking my heart?
William, how many times do you want me to tell you that I said leave my room? How many times?
I'm not going anywhere. Orderly, you don't know how much I love you. Don't let that idiot come between us. Don't! I love you.
Enough of that, Olima. Listen to me. You are my blood. We are one. Same father, same mother. Olima, I will not allow you to love me to bear this time around. Do you hear me?
Then, I will tell our parents about our mistakes. How you loved your own blood sister to bed and slept with her. And for your information, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant.
What?
Your father has to do this.
Sure.
Good morning.
Please come and sit down and tell me what happened.
I have not come to sit down. I have not come to sit down. Njoku is dead.
What happened to him?
He was found dead this early morning on his bed. Not even his wife, that man with him, was able to say what happened to him.
Oh no! Did you hear what happened at the palace?
What happened at the palace? What?
2 guards were found dead this morning.
Hey!
Hey! Out! Hey! No! Oh no! We are doomed. I don't know, man.
How can people be dying like hogs?
I don't know, man. Check, man.
2 guards found dead this morning. Ichi Njoku found dead in his bed this morning. Hey! Calamity! Calamity!
Oh no!
This is strange indeed.
Oh no! You say Ichi Njoku. But I was with him last night. He never complained of any sickness. Hey! Oh no! We have to consult EZEONU and know what is happening. What is actually happening in this kingdom.
Exactly.
Hey. Nick, I ask you, who is this young man and what is he doing in my house? Good day, sir. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Sir, my name is EZEONU. I'm from Amafo Kingdom.
Why are you here?
Papa, some people are after his life.
Shut up! Am I asking you? So if some people are after his life, is my house a refugee camp?